$384.56.
Do you know how much they're charging per battery at O'Reilly? Tell them.
It's all according to what. It's like us. We've got these on sale for $83. It's 925 cold cranking amps. But then when you get up to 1,000 cold cranking amps, it's over $100. You know, and then there's.
Was it 152? Was 152 at O'Reilly for
159.
159 for one battery?
Yeah, we sell a lot of batteries.
So,
We'll go through a pallet or two a month.
Well, before you go getting carried away there, do you know what battery that truck requires?
What?
Which cranking amps that it requires?
Actually, a lot of them just say 700, 750.
Oh, okay.
So you're
I'm
buying.
having a problem getting it started. And I don't know if the batteries are bad or good or what. So, but at first it's a process of elimination, right?
Yep.
Yesterday I went through all the grounds and cleaned up all the cables. Today the same thing. So today I'm eliminating the batteries. Eventually I'll chase it down.
Well, it's that time of the year. You know, as soon as you get a cold snap, if it's got a weak cell or a dead cell,
Yeah.
it just drags everything else down.